Hey guys, welcome to the Fumble. I'm Crystal Marie. On May 2nd, Manny Pacquiao will step in the ring to go toe-to-toe with Floyd Mayweather Jr. The mega fight is undoubtedly the biggest fight of both of their careers. Unfortunately for Pacquiao, he has a serious problem he's currently dealing with: cramps. According to a USA Today report, Pacquiao skipped his normal Saturday run at Pan Pacific Park because of cramps in his legs. But don't worry, his team says the injury shouldn't set him back. Last week, Pacquiao's trainer, Freddie Roach, admitted to Yahoo Sports that Pacquiao is indeed dealing with leg cramps as he continues to train. Roach said he's altering Manny's training camp around this problem in order to avoid major leg cramp flare-ups. "There's no magic cure for it," Roach told Yahoo Sports. "We're doing what we can do. I've got the doctors working on it. There are some Filipino guys here who are massaging it for him. The cream costs $1,800 for a single bottle. I wasn't too happy about that." The cost is so high because Pacquiao does not have health insurance in the United States, and the cream had to be tested and approved first by the U.S. Anti-Doping Agency before each application. The cost of the cream is chump change, though, for Pacquiao, who's slated to take home more than $100 million when he steps in the ring with Mayweather. In the midst of his training, Manny Pacquiao took time to buy a new home. Click here to check out the $12.5 million Beverly Hills home the boxer just purchased. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for more on all your favorite athletes.